Boil a kettle and leave this to sit for around 30 seconds. Figure out the capacity of your cafetière. To do this, fill it with water just below the spout and pour this into the measuring jug, or check the manufacturer's instructions. Round this up to the nearest whole number and use a ratio of 60 grams to a litre. As ours is a 1 litre cafetière, we're using 60 grams of coarse-grind coffee. Use your scales to measure out the required quantities and add your coffee to your cafetière. Pour 1 litre, or your required amount, of just off boiling water into your cafetière. Allow the coffee to brew for 4 minutes. After this, a crust should have formed at the top. Stir this through the liquid coffee with a spoon. Let the ground coffee sink to the bottom of the cafetière over another 4 minutes. Meanwhile, use a spoon to remove the crema from the top to get rid of any unwanted bitterness. Place your plunger over your cafetière, but do not plunge. This is best used as a filter to pour your coffee through. As you continue to pour cup by cup, push the plunger down to the level of liquid coffee without fully plunging. Enjoy your coffee.